Photosynthesis involves two major stages, the light-dependent reaction and the light-independent reaction. The light-dependent reaction occurs in the thylakoids or grana of the chloroplast. A stack of thylakoids make up a granum. Light supplies the energy for this reaction to occur. The ultimate source of light is the sun. To absorb light, plants have special molecules called pigments. There are several different pigments in plants, and each effectively absorbs photons of light at different wavelengths. The two major groups are the chlorophylls and the carotenoids. These pigments are organized on the membranes of the thylakoids. The reaction center is the portion of the photosystem that contains a pair of chlorophyll A molecules, a matrix of protein, and a primary electron acceptor. First, a photon of light is absorbed by a pigment in photosystem 2 and is transferred to other pigment molecules until it reaches one of the chlorophyll A molecules in the reaction center. The photon energy excites one of the chlorophyll A electrons to a higher energy state. Then, this electron is captured by the primary acceptor of the reaction center. Water is then split by an enzyme to produce electrons, hydrogen ions, and an oxygen atom. This process is driven by the energy from light and is called photolysis. The electrons are supplied one by one to the chlorophyll A molecules of the reaction center. The excited electrons pass from the primary acceptor down an electron transport chain, losing energy at each exchange. The first of the three carriers is plastoquinone. The middle carrier is a cytochrome complex. The energy lost from the electrons moving down the electron transport chain drives chemiosmosis, similar to that in respiration, to bring about the phosphorylation of ADP to produce ATP. Next, a photon of light is absorbed by a pigment in photosystem 1. This energy is transferred through several accessory pigments until received by a chlorophyll A molecule. Then, the de-energized electron from photosystem 2 fills the void left by the newly energized electron. The electron with the higher energy state is then passed down a second electron transport chain that involves the carrier ferredoxin. The enzyme NADP reductase catalyzes the transfer of the electron from ferredoxin to the energy carrier NADP+. 2 electrons are required to reduce NADP+ fully to NADPH. NADPH and ATP are the final products of the light-dependent reaction. They supply chemical energy for the light-independent reaction to occur.